So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in about, preferences. And I click on it. And now this will come up. And now once you're on this, you're going to click on privacy and security on the left hand side. And now you're going to click on manage exceptions. And now this will come up. And now once you're on this, if you see any websites here, you want to delete the ones that are not by Firefox or Mozilla. So any websites that do not have Firefox or Mozilla in the name, you want to remove it. So these two do not have Firefox or Mozilla, so I'm going to click on it, remove it, click on it, remove it. And you want to keep all the websites that will either say Firefox or Mozilla in the name. And now once you've done that, now you're going to click on the General tab. You're going to scroll down to the very bottom until you find Network Settings. Here it is. You're going to click on Settings. And now this will come up. And now once you're on this, you're going to click on Automatic Proxy Configuration URL. And then click on OK. And now once you've done that, now we're going to click on the three lines in the top right. Scroll down. And then click on Help. Now we're going to click on More Troubleshooting Information. And now this will come up. And now once we're here, you're going to click on Refresh Firefox. And then click on Refresh Firefox again. Click on Done. Wait for this to load. And then you should be good to go. If you want, you could just remove this old Firefox data. You could just delete it. It's up to you. And now the problem should be fixed. If not, just restart your computer. And then you should be good to go.